Hey guys, welcome back. So Realme has teased Realme GT Neo 2 via its Weibo account, but the company did not reveal the exact launch date. It will however hit the shelves in China very soon. With that said, let's dive into what this long-awaited GT Neo successor will offer. First off, let me make it clear that there is no official information from Realme, so whatever we have is from different certifications. So now, let's continue. The most vital information comes from Tenna listing, which mentions the display and camera specs. Here the phone will sport a 6.62-inch AMOLED display with a full HD+ resolution and a high refresh rate of 120Hz. And as for cameras, the handset could sport a 16-megapixel shooter in the front housed inside hole punch cutout like every other smartphone in the market. The rear-mounted rectangular camera setup has a 64-megapixel main, an 8-megapixel and a 2-megapixel camera modules, along with 2 LED flash. Next, coming to Geekbench listings, we came to know about the processor powering this phone. Can you guess which processor it rocks? It's a flagship chip, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 with a 2.42 GHz base clock speed. Moreover, it has an Adreno 650 GPU with a 3.19 GHz peak CPU clock speed. Here are some benchmarks if you don't already know about the performance of this beast. To give you some perspective, this phone powered by this chip can play games such as Genshin Impact in high settings without any problems. The benchmark website features the 12GB RAM variant, however there will definitely be other variants like 6 and 8GB RAM. For internal storage, expect 128, 256 and 512GB storage, but microSD card slot will be unavailable. About its battery, according to the 3C website listing, the phone will support 65W fast charging, and that is all there is in the 3C website. We will update you on the battery capacity, but for that you have to do one thing, and that is to subscribe to our channel. So that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.